challenge a while ago. So it says, state your name and username. My name's Courtney Fitt, and I'm known as Gossip Goats, obviously. And I'm from Ontario, Canada. And now you have to pronounce these words. Aunt, roof, root, theater, iron, salmon, caramel, fire, water, New Orleans, pecan, both, again, properly, probably, Alabama, lawyer, coupon, mayonnaise, pajamas, caught, naturally, aluminum, gift, tumbler, crackerjack, doorknob, envelope, G-boy. What is it called when you throw toilet paper on a house? TPing? I don't know. What is a bubbly carbonated drink called? Soda? What do you call gym shoes? Sneakers? What do you call your grandparents? Granddad, grandmother? What do you call the wheeled contraption in which you carry grocery stores at the supermarket? A buggy? What is this thing you change the TV with? Remote? Choose a book and read a passage from it. I kind of don't have a book in my bathroom. I will read this. It says, tub and tile cleaner. There you go. Do you think you have an accent? Obviously not. Be a wizard or a vampire? Wizard? Do you know anyone on Tumblr in real life? Only like 3 people that I follow. And now it says, say 3 words you want. So I'll say Elmos, about, and superfragilistic. Yeah, I can't even say that. So yeah, I'm just gonna end this now. Bye.